Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. In a previous video I showed you how to make this alcohol stove using a soda can, and in this video I will show you this other model from an aerosol can that also works pretty well. Next time you need a PCB for your electronics project, consider using the professional services of LCPCB. LCPCB is the world leader in PCB fabrication. You can order online. You just need to register, upload your Gerber file, and wait a few days for your PCBs at an unbeatable price. This stove is very easy to make. You only need any aerosol can that has this form at the top. You cut it in two parts and insert the top part upside down in the bottom. And then you make a series of holes around the bottom of the can. You only have to take care that this distance should be in such a way that there is a little space around 1 millimeter from the top and the bottom of the other can, so that when you put the alcohol it can flow to the bottom of the can. Also, it is important that your can has this kind of shape so that a space is formed between the two parts of the can. This space will be filled with alcohol vapor that will flow through the holes and create the flames of our stove. Let's see how it works. I will put some alcohol in the stove. And then you light up the alcohol in the inside of the can. We need to wait a few seconds until the can gets hot, and then we will see the flames start to come out of the holes in the periphery of the can. Okay, now we have the flames. The stove is now working, and at this point you can put your pot above the stove in order to cook something or heat or boil water. Let's see how this stove works. Here we have the bottom part of the can and the upper part. So we fill the alcohol from here and it flows through the hole and fills the inner part of the can. So we will have alcohol up to this point, and there will be an empty space here all around the can, and then we light up the alcohol here and the flames appear in this point. These flames starts to heat the metal of the can, and the alcohol starts to rise its temperature. So alcohol vapor forms in the space between the two cans. This vapor finds its way to the outside through the holes that we made in the periphery of the can, and then we will have flames coming out of the holes. At this point you can put your pot here. The flame inside will go out, but since the can is now heated, these flames continue to heat the can, and the alcohol vapor continues to flow until all the alcohol is consumed. The advantage of this stove from the first design is that in this case the aluminum of the can is very thin, so it will not resist too much weight. This other, on the other hand, is much more sturdy. You can put a large pot, fill it with water, and it will not crush. So it resists much more weight. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for your visit and see you in the next one.